But in 2025, what are our top 5 Cornerstone
I
products
I would
today?
say Jira is the one that rises to the top. Jira is the number one cornerstone product right now. Almost every software development group that you have either is currently using Jira, as their main tool, or they have had Jira in their organization. So just knowing the basics of Jira is going to help any software developers
And it's
career.
and it's interesting that I asked you this question. Your first response is Jira, which to me is a project management tool, not a DevOps tool.
Well,
So
project
how does
management
it
is very important in DevOps. So, going back to my comment from last episode, DevOps is a huge umbrella, and anything that helps you get the product from cradle to grave is part of DevOps. So,
Yeah.
project management and the approaches you take to project management, your procedures or your policies, all part of DevOps. And if you have procedures.
And I would even go as far as saying Jira is a cornerstone product, but it's also a centerpiece. I think I see Jira as a tool where all your other tools within the DevOps space are going to integrate and connect with Jira to
Mhm.
give you that seamless, what Atlassian's calling developer experience, right? A lot of this DevX stuff.
So that brings up a nice side topic, because different companies have tried to use different aspects of DevOps as a centerpiece. Where Atlassian, clearly the centerpiece is Jira, but most companies have taken a version control first as their centerpiece. So whatever their Git based thing is. So you
So
know
like Visual Studio back in the day with TFS.
Studio, which the cornerstone of that, or the centerpiece of that, was their the TFS.
Yeah, Team Foundation Server and then source safe and all that stuff even
Yep.
before that. But
And
yeah, no, they were
it's like
definitely centered
IBM
around.
Rational ClearCase was their centerpiece, and everything grew from that. You look at GitHub and GitLab. Git is the centerpiece in that. They both named their companies after Git, um, and then they spread out from there. An interesting approach JFrog tried a number of years ago was the binary repositories, the center of the universe, and then you expand out from there. And they haven't really doubled down on that direction.